Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to put pictures in TikTok comments. Let's go. Adding pictures to your comments can be a fun way to express yourself or share something relevant with others. First of all, open up the TikTok app. Then find the TikTok video that you want to add pictures in the comments section. Once you've found it, tap on the comment button over here. After that, tap on the reply option at the bottom of any comment. So the thing is that you can only reply to a comment with a video or a photo. You can't just post a photo as a comment like you can on Facebook. If you want to reply to a comment with a video or a photo, tap on this button over here. Now you can record a quick video, or you can tap upload to select a video or a photo from your camera roll. I'm going to select this random photo. Tap on the next button at the bottom. Now you have to post this reply publicly. If you post it privately, no one will be able to see it. To do that, tap over here and select followers. Then tap on the post button at the bottom right. Now you've added a picture in the comments section of that TikTok video to see it. Tap on the profile button at the bottom right. That posted picture will show up here. You can tap on it to go to that video's comments section. As of right now, this is the only way to add pictures in the TikTok comments section. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.